Hey, this doesn't look like a peanut butter museum. Let's get rolling. Tonight we're gonna draw Houndoom. Yes, I've caught this Pokemon, and my chance to get its a Mega Evolved form in the game of Pokemon Master Journeys. This guy is a Dark and Fire type. And has this special feature to Mega Evolve. His body design is of a Rottweiler or a Great Dane. Alexa, what is a Rottweiler?
According to Wikipedia, the Rottweiler is a breed of domestic dog, regarded as medium to large or large. The dogs were known in German as Rottweiler Metzgerhund, meaning Rottweil butcher's dogs, because their main use was to herd livestock and pull carts laden with butchered meat to market. This continued until the mid-19th century when railways replaced droving. Wanna enable bark like a dog's skill and hear what a Rottweiler sounds like?
Yes.
Okay, here's bark like a dog. Here is my Rottweiler.
Alexa, what is a Great Dane?
According to Wikipedia, the Great Dane is a large-sized dog breed originating from Germany. The Great Dane descends from hunting dogs from the Middle Ages used to hunt wild boar and deer, and as guardians of German nobility. It is one of the largest breeds in the world along with its relative, the Irish Wolfhound.
Alexa?
Wanna hear what a Great Dane sounds like on bark like a...
What is a Shepherd?
As a noun, shepherd can have a few meanings. 1. A person who herds, tends, and guards sheep. 2. A person who protects,
That's how you draw
guides, or watches over a person or group of people. 3.
And let me know what character you want me to draw next.
4. Jesus Christ.
Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.